Have you ever felt unappreciated? Like your efforts, no matter how sincere, just go unnoticed? If so, this story will heal something inside you. In a quiet corner of the countryside, on a small farm nestled between rolling hills, lived a rooster named Leo. Every morning, just before the sun peeked over the horizon, Leo would climb onto his favorite fence post, take a deep breath, and let out a powerful crow that echoed through the morning mist. He believed his call was a gift, a melody to wake the world with hope and start the day. But instead of gratitude, he was met with groans and complaints. Oh, not again. Daisy the cow would grumble, shaking her head. Willow the sheep would bury her face in her thick wool, wishing for just a few more minutes of silence. Even Farmer Thomas, rushing to start his chores, would often shout, "Leo, be quiet." The barn cat, Micah, would just flick her tail in annoyance. Day after day, the complaints chipped away at Leo's spirit. His proud crow began to sound heavy, filled with doubt. Am I just a nuisance? He wondered. Does my voice matter at all? Maybe I should just stop. So one morning, Leo decided not to crow. He stayed silent as the darkness lingered. The farm, usually bustling with activity, was eerily quiet. The animals overslept. Daisy missed her morning grazing, and Willow was late to the pasture. Farmer Thomas slept right through his alarm and missed an important meeting in town. The entire farm fell into chaos. It was only in the quiet, in the absence of his song, that they finally realized its importance. They missed the familiar sound that started their day, the sound they had taken for granted. That day taught everyone a valuable lesson, but it taught Leo something even more profound. He learned that not everyone will appreciate your effort, but that doesn't make it meaningless. Sometimes you need to step back, not out of weakness, but as an act of self-love and healing. True strength doesn't need applause. You must know your own value, because you never know which sunrise depends on you. The next morning, as dawn approached, Leo returned to his post. He took a deep breath, but this time he wasn't crowing for their approval or thanks. He crowed because it was his purpose. It was who he was. Sometimes the world won't clap for you, but the sunrise will always remember who called it. Thank you for listening. If this story resonated with you, consider subscribing for more tales that touch the heart. Until next time, grow silently and live meaningfully.